there, and welcome back to What the Nature. And currently we are having issues with the main title, or the intro, as some might say, but that does not matter today. We are here today, Toby is here today, searching for the elusive tramp bananas. Bananas that tend to grow on trampolines. They taste like normal bananas, only they're a little bit more squishy and bouncy. Tend to grow on tramps. Toby seems to have found himself a wild trampoline. Let's see if it has grown any banana tramp bananas. Oh, we have found it. The elusive tramp banana. A pretty rare type of banana. And they tend to be coming out from trampolines. No one is sure of when they grow, or how they grow, or why they grow, or what condition. Tramp bananas have been found in old trampolines of 20 years, and some have been found on brand new trampolines. Toby. The elusive tramp banana. Banana. They are quite easy to take off, as Toby is showing, and they tend to leave a little bit of their white stem, as you can see, so they aren't 100% like regular bananas. The elusive tramp banana. Banana.